In the mythological past lived the greatest mathematician of all time, Archimedes of Syracuse. He spent his days creating science and mastering the infinite. But this is not his story. This is the story of his greatest joy, the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter.
Spin around again! This time inscribed in an hexagon. Yes! Yes! We are very close, my child!
Can we take a break, Father? I'm so incredibly dizzy.
There's not much time, I'm afraid. The Romans are right by the gate. But, very well.
But, Father, who am I? What is my name?
Well, let's see. You are 3 plus an 8 plus a 61st. It's a bit more if I'm not mistaken. Spin around in an octagon and we'll know better.
Sir, the Romans are here. We can't hold them off any longer. We need you.
Go hide, my child. They must not find you. Alara! Ah! Ah! Agroma! The great Archimedes has fallen! Victory to Rome!
Constant, what will you see? Circle constant, what will you be? Circle constant, what will you do with your life? She loses her father even before she's given an identity. Poor Circle Constant is shattered. For years and years she fades away, waiting, hoping that someone someday would find her as important as Archimedes did. And one day, many years, oh, look who we have here. Euler seems to be taking a walk, perhaps thinking about the Basin problem. Rather looks like he's having a picnic all by himself.
1 plus a 4th plus a 9th plus a 16th and so on and so on. What is it? Think, Euler, think. This should be a piece of cake for you.
Are you perhaps looking for me?
Circle constant. Squared. That's it. The sum of reciprocals of squares of natural numbers is circle constant squared over 6. Thank you, but who are you?
Who am I? Well, apart from the circle constant, I don't know.
Never mind. You look famished. I'm hungry too. Look what I've got here. Would you like a sandwich?
A sandwich! But it's a triangle. And I don't really like triangles.
Okay. Well, how about a samosa?
That's a tetrahedron. How can this even taste good?
Okay. Aha! Pineapple cut in shapes of regular dodecahedrons.
It's very tempting. But it's not really smooth.
Oh. Well, what else do I have? Aha! Would you perhaps like this? A pie?
A pie! It's circular in shape. I love it.
Well, that's what we'll call you then. Pie.
Pie, pie, what will
Euler decides to introduce pi to the world. The question he was thinking about, the sums of reciprocals of squares, was a contest question from a math magazine. So when he went to collect his prize for solving it, he decided to introduce pi to all the mathematicians there.
And so, the answer comes out to be this. Circle constant squared over 6. And I name the circle constant pi.
Oh, you mean the Greek letter pi?
Of course, of course. And look how marvelous she looks with my number E.
Well, that's cute. But who are you? Are you maybe 22 over 7?
No, that's not me.
I wonder what other secrets you have to offer, my dear.
No, she is not 22 by 7. She is irrational.
Excuse me?
Irrational. Let me prove it to you. I mean, from this, it's obviously trivial that
I mean,
pi.
it's trivial, yeah, true.
Obviously, if pi is irrational, forget 22 or 7. She can't be the ratio of any two integers. Perhaps you're the square root of 10.
Actually, Monsieur Lambert, she can't be that. Even pi squared is irrational.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I don't know.
Who are you?
I don't know who I am.
So pi was not rational. She wasn't a square root either. Pi's identity and her place on the real line still remained elusive. But Euler went off exploring Napier's number, while the others became busy with the fancier math problems of that age. And as for pi, she was left to her own devices, confused and alone, now more than ever.
Are you lost, my little number? Come to the great Comte Buffon! Now we have her! Aha! That's 130 needles landing on the lines out of 355 tosses. And so, I proved the value of pi to be exactly 355 divided by 113, and I do so using probability.
No. No! That even sounds wrong! Bye, what are you seeing? Bye, bye, what are you being? Bye, bye, what are you doing with your life?
from mountain top.
Oh, great Lindemann. I have traveled far and wide in search of my identity. I'm not a square root, and I don't think I am one. Am I the root of something humongous and rational?
Bah! How can anyone even say anything like that? You, my child, are above all that. You are transcendental.
Transcendental? You mean there's no root of a polynomial with rational coefficients which describes me? How can you say so?
Ah, yes! I have proved it. Somewhere. Ah, there you go.
Pi is jubilant with this result. So as soon as she comes down from the mountain, she goes to a place where an international conference is happening.
Listen up, everyone. I finally know who I am. I am transcendental.
But how can you tell?
The great Lindemann proved it. Here's the proof.
Let's go! Fine! Fine! Can you tell me what the volume of a cone is?
Fine. Could you tell me what's factorial of half? Bazinga! It's not.
Can you tell me what the log of I is?
No.
This calls for a celebration. 1, 2, 3. Pi, pi, mathematical pi. From Archimedes to Euler, the third upper pi. Approximately 3.1415. This is the day they found pi.
With the volume of pi thus discovered, mathematicians now strut about the strenuous task of calculating as many digits of pi as possible.
Hey, look! I just found the 100th digit of pi.
That's nothing. Look. The 1000th digit of pi.
Ah, got to do better. Here. The 10,000th digit of pi.
Wow, look at these children playing. Let me show them how it's done.
Archimedes.
But how? This looks exactly like me. How did you get this?
Ramanujan, can you at least give us the proof?
A few decades after this discovery, scientists began using computers to calculate even more digits of pi. Soon there came a time when, with the help of advanced supercomputing, over 200 trillion digits of pi were now known. But while not everyone was happy about this, while the world rejoiced, pi became emotional. She was thinking about Archimedes.
Oh, Father, if only you were here to see me today. I know you would have been so proud of me. Wait. What is this? A note. For centuries my secrets shall unfold, and wherever they go, they shall shine like gold. But to summon me, one must be bold. Read the scroll and do as they are told. First, draw a spiral, precise and true, with curves that flow in perfect view. Then speak my name, let your passion ignite, and through the air, I'll step into sight. Could this be true? Well, there is only one way to find out. Archimedes! My father!
Phew! Took you long enough. The rumors of my death were greatly exaggerated.
Father, I finally know who I am. I am transcendental. Look at all I found about myself.
Ah, I see. You have come a long way from hexagons and circles. You have grown far beyond my compasses. I don't even recognize my own child anymore. Circle constant, you have finally become mature.
But wait! Are you transcendental over E?
What do you mean?
You are transcendental over the rationals, a simpleton among fields. But are you transcendental over Q adjoin E?
Who is this E?
Remember me?
You're Euler's number.
Well, are you two algebraically independent or what?
Well, I don't...
Ah! I see. We have a lot of work to do. Spin around again. Circle constant, your name is pi. Circle constant.